Hello Scorpio, how are you doing? This is Falguni and I'm here to do your monthly tarot reading. This is for the month of December and this is for Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Please check your placements before watching the reading. If your message does not lie in this placement, then it might be in some other placement of yours. So please watch accordingly. And this is a general reading. It will not resonate with all of you. Please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. And if you want to book a personal reading with me, you may reach out to me on my email address given in the description box below. So let's begin and let's see. Scorpio, what is the energy, what will be your energy like in the first part of December, from the 1st till the 10th of December? What will be your energy like from the 1st till the 10th of December? Let's see. From the 1st till the 10th of December, what will be your energy like? Let's find out. What will be your energy like from the 1st till the 10th of December? Let's find out. So, Scorpio, your energy will be of experiencing. Can you see the card here? You will be going through, you will be learning through some sort of experiences basically. Okay. You will be learning through your experiences where you invested a lot of your efforts and got some lessons in turn. You thought that investing efforts would give you something in return, but maybe it went otherwise. And now you have your lessons with you that you've learned along the journey. Very nice. Let's clarify this card experiencing and see what is it exactly about. That is what you are experiencing. What exactly are you experiencing? Let's see. What exactly are you experiencing in the first part of December, from the 1st till the 10th of December, Scorpio? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's find out. Let's see. Let's find out. So in the first part of December, you have Three of Wands, Fool and the Emperor. So you have these three cards, Three of Wands, Fool and the Emperor. So what is your, what you are basically learning through your experiences and taking control of your life. Okay, taking control of your life. You are in an energy of being open to possibilities, connections, new situations, everything, socializing as well. I mean, you are feeling free from within in the first part of December, because you have your learnings, you have your lessons learned. Now you're taking control of your life, taking back control of your life, let me word it that way. And now you're looking forward to the future and open to the new chapter of your life with complete, I mean, you are like a clean slate now. That is what I'm getting, with lessons learned. You haven't forgotten the lessons, of course, and you're taking control of your life. And this is like bringing a flare of celebration within you. I mean, you are so happy from within. I can just feel it. You'll feel very happy from within, very peaceful, because everything has been done and dusted and you have got your lessons learned, and now you are ready for the new chapter of your life. Very beautiful energy. There are very few people who learn their lessons. People try to move on without learning the lessons, and then what happens is, whenever they meet another person or whenever they meet someone, the same situation happens. Okay, the cycle keeps on repeating itself until you learn your lessons. It does not matter, it doesn't have to happen with the same person again and again. It can happen with some other person, some other time. And how does it happen is, once you have like given it such an opportunity of not learning the lessons. If you repeat what you keep doing, what you have been doing already, you won't get what you want. Okay, so you need to know where life is trying to teach you something. You need to learn it at that point of time. Let's see what will be your energy like in the second part of December. In the second part of December, what will be your energy like? What will be your energy like in the second part of December? What will be your energy like in the second part of December? What will be your energy like in the second part of December? Okay, Scorpio. So your energy will be of morality. So you'll be too fixated on moral values. Because of that, it might even cause you some sort of sorrow. You will be too fixated on the societal values, societal pressure. People are creating some sort of pressure on you. You are bogged down with the rules and regulations, procedures and stuff like that, and this is causing you some sort of sorrow. This is what I feel. Okay, or it can also be someone around you who is pressurizing you to feel that way. Okay, and also maybe you are in a situation where you feel helpless. I'm getting that. So you will be a little disappointed and a little bit melancholy around this time. Let's clarify this morality card and see what is the morality card here about. What is the morality card here about for Scorpio for the second part of December, from the 11th till the from the 11th till 20th of December. Yes, from the 11th till the 20th of December, right? So let's clarify this morality card for you and see what is it about. Okay, you have 10 of Wands, 6 of Swords and the Queen of Wands. Okay, so right, I just told you there is some person that is trying to create some sort of burden on you. So you're pressured because of this. You feel that you are putting in a lot of efforts. I mean, you are one-sidedly putting efforts into the situation, and the other person is not investing that much. Your efforts are more in as compared to the other person or other person in the situation or whatever. If it is a work situation, then the other person is investing more in the situation, or no, investing less in the situation, and you're contributing more, and that person is sort of creating it as such that it is automatically pressurizing you. I mean, they are doing it in a way that seems like they don't, I mean, they are not showing, I mean, they're doing it indirectly. Okay, I hope you're getting my point. So what is happening now is you are feeling burdened. You're feeling very burdened about this. You want to move away from the situation. You want to move away from this person also, because it is like driving you crazy, driving you nuts. I mean, you are continuously investing efforts and you're getting nothing in return. Only you are being asked to put in, and given input, but there is no output. You're not getting any output out of the situation. You're just looking at it, like after doing the work, you're just looking at it, when will I get the output, when will I get the output. That is the kind of anxiety I feel in you in the second part of December. Okay, this is to do, and a female figure might be very important if it's to do with the work or your personal life, whatever it is. A female figure is very important in this situation, because that female figure is actually making you do stuff, and they are only giving you that moral policing. They're doing the moral policing. No, this is not right, this should have been this way, this is not correct, that is the way. Okay, and you are feeling pressured. Okay, that is the situation. I mean, they are doing the moral policing and you feeling pressured because of this. You feel that you cannot even avoid it, because she's attaching it to morals and values or some sort of procedure which you need to follow, and you cannot avoid that now. Let's see for the third part of December. For the third part, it can also be a male figure also. No, not just female. It can also be a male figure who is very attractive. Okay, someone who is very attractive. Someone who has who can make people do things. Someone. There is something about some people. I mean, there are some people who have it in their aura. Whenever they say something, they request something, or they want someone to do something, people tend to do it because they tend to come across that way. Okay, commanding, or you can say they are very this thing, attractive, very attractive. I mean, they have that kind of aura that they can make you do something, but it's burdening you, because they are trying to, whatever they're trying to do, you are able to see through it. Okay, so so they are not able to fool you. Okay, they're not even trying to fool you, but yes, they're using the charm to make things to get things done, basically. Yes, charm is the thing. Okay, all right, let's see for third part of December. Scorpio, what will be your energy like for the third part of December? For the third part of December, for the third part of December. Okay, for the third part of December, for the third part of December, for the third part of December, for the third part of December. For some of you also getting that there is a family situation, that is people are forcing you, family is forcing you to be with a particular person, you are not able to be with that person, you're getting pressured because of that. This is also one situation I'm getting. Anyhow, let's see for the third part of December, Scorpio, what will be your energy like for the third part of December? So Scorpio, you have We Are the World. You will be in a very abundant state in the third part of December. You'll be very happy, feeling fulfilled, feeling for the long term. And you might have to make some compromises also here and there. You will get that feeling that this has not happened without any compromises. You will feel that I came here because I made certain sacrifices, compromises. If hadn't I done that, I wouldn't have reached here. This is what your feeling will be like. Okay. Let me clarify the We Are the World card for you, Scorpio. Let's clarify the We Are the World card for you. Let's see what does it mean, We Are the World card. Let's clarify the We Are the World card for you, Scorpio. So you have the Judgment, the Magician and the Sun. Beautiful energy. You've been able to manifest this. Amazing. Very nice. I mean, this is wonderful. Third part of December is like bonkers. I mean, you are just in the middle of some treasure, it seems like that. So you have been able to manifest this kind of abundance in your life. In whatever area, you name it, you have it. And because of family also, I'm able to get this, that because of the family also you've got this. Your family has supported you to get this abundance, the career, the well-being and the prosperity that you wanted. Lot of happiness, lot of fresh beginnings I can see around it, and powerful manifestation. I mean, you made it happen and you alone have made it possible, though you had the family supporting from the back, but your efforts were your own and alone, and you have made it happen. This was a literal judgment made by the universe, by the divine, to give it on your lap. I mean, you have worked really hard for this somehow, or something that relates to something traditional or some sort of commitment. You are getting that, and everything is for long term. New beginnings, fresh beginnings for long term. Wonderful energy, wonderful. Okay, let's see your guidance, overall guidance in the situation. What is the overall guidance for Scorpio for the month of December? What is the overall guidance for Scorpio for the month of December? Let's see what is the overall guidance for you for the month of December. Let's find out. What is the overall guidance for you for the month of December? Let's find out. So overall guidance for you is to come out of isolation. If you have been putting yourself in some sort of isolation, okay, separating yourself from people and situations, and feeling alone, feeling left out, feeling hurt, depressed, now is the time to come out of that, okay, and explore the possibilities. The world lies ahead in front of you. All right, so that was your reading, Scorpio. I hope you enjoyed this reading. I will see you soon in the next reading. Till then, stay safe and stay blessed. I love you, Scorpio. Thank you. Namaste.